G'day, Ian McMinn, Director and Chief Pilot of Helimatic Australia. In 2008 I travelled to the headquarters of Helimatic in Sweden and completed a saw technician course on the Uppercut S10 vertical branch trimming saw. While in Sweden, I secured the sole rights to the Helimatic technologies for Australia and New Zealand. The Helimatic Sweden Chief Pilot then travelled to Australia to provide extensive training to my company pilots. Let's have a look at the Uppercut S10 operating. The Uppercut S10 has been operating around the world for the past 22 years and has completed over 100,000 hours of accident-free sawing. It is now operated in 9 countries and is without a doubt the most advanced vertical branch trimming saw in the world. The Uppercut is extremely efficient and able to complete several kilometres of branch trimming per hour. In areas that are remote or particularly steep, the Uppercut is the safest, most time efficient and cost effective method of vegetation reduction. All Helimatic Australia equipment and operating procedures have full approval from the Civil Aviation Safety Authority, and our ground-based activities have been through an evaluation and compliance process with ArborSafe Australia. Helimatic Australia designed, manufactured and tested the HeliGrip 600 in the first quarter of 2010 after applying for approval from the Civil Aviation Safety Authority. The HeliGrip 600 has a provisional patent and was designed on request from an existing client to conduct height reduction on 1,100 fire-affected hardwood trees located on very steep terrain in the Victorian high country. The HeliGrip 600 prototype managed to complete 180 trees per day for a small percentage of the cost of traditional methods and with nil lost time injuries. The equipment has its own purpose-built B-double mobile workshop and refuelling unit, allowing us to operate completely self-sufficient at any remote location. ArborSafe Australia were commissioned to evaluate all ground-based activities with the HeliGrip 600 and have provided extensive OH&S procedures, while all aviation-based activities were evaluated by Civil Aviation Safety Authority and subsequently granted full approval.